Hello, and welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, we'll learn what equivalent fractions are and how they are made. Let's get started with this lip-smacking pizza. First, we'll cut it into 2 equal halves, then into 4 large slices, and then into 8 perfect slices. Now let's assume that half of it was eaten. What remains here is 1/2. 2 quarters were left over in this case, and 4 of the 8 parts of this pizza. The fractions half, 2/4, and 4/8 are different numerators and denominators, but they denote the same quantity of proportion. These are equivalent fractions. Let's try to get our head around generating a few equivalent fractions using this rectangular chocolate bar. We'll break this chocolate bar into 3 parts vertically. We'll give 2/3 of it to Sandra and 1/3 of it to Barbara. Imagine we break the chocolate bar horizontally into 2, dividing the whole chocolate bar into 6 equal parts. What will Sandra's share be? 4 out of 6 pieces. And Barbara's share will be 2 out of 6 pieces. We'll break Sandra's share of the chocolate bar into 2 again. Now let's divide Barbara's as well. Now the whole chocolate bar is divided into 12 parts. So Sandra's share is 8 parts of the 12, and Barbara's is 4 parts of the 12. If you observe carefully, you will notice that the quantity of the chocolate bar each got has remained unchanged. The fractions 2/3, 4/6, and 8/12 refer to Sandra's share, and the fractions 1/3, 2/6, and 4/12 refer to Barbara's share. Hence, these are equivalent fractions. You must be wondering if using these models is the only way to generate equivalent fractions. Of course not. An infinite number of equivalent fractions can be generated by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Let's try our hands at generating 2 equivalent fractions for the fraction 3/4. First, we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. 6/8 is equivalent to 3/4. We'll find the next equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 3. And that is our next equivalent fraction. Always remember, if you multiply the numerator by any number, you should multiply the denominator by the same number. Pretty simple rule, right? Let's branch out and check if 2 given fractions are equivalent. Are the fractions 8/20 and 2/5 equivalent? We know that the fraction 2/5 is in its simplest form. We can't reduce that any further. But the fraction 8/20 can be written as 2 times 2 times 2 over 2 times 2 times 5. The 2 2's in the numerator and the 2 2's in the denominator cancel out. What remains is the fraction 2/5, which is the same as the other fraction. Therefore, the 2 fractions are equivalent. Let's check if 12/24 and 2/4 are equivalent fractions. This time, we'll cross-multiply. 12 times 4 is 48, and 2 times 24 is 48. Since both products are the same, the 2 fractions are equivalent. Looks like we have clued you in on equivalent fractions. Last but not least, remember, it is practice that will nudge you forward on the road to expertise. And the best place to find practice material is at www.tutoringhour.com. Find the link in the description box. Visit the website to procure worksheets that go hand in hand with this video. Print them and practice as much as you can. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up. The most important thing to do with knowledge is to pass it on. So just go ahead and share the video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching Tutoring Hour.